Hey, what's up everyone? John Rapsy and my new screen. Let's go. Here we come. So, see this? Touch to start recording. It's gonna be so awesome. Don't be scared, guys. That's just my garage. I live with my dad still, so he has to, because I've been living with him because I love him, so don't worry, okay? So, what I think I should do an easy one. Yeah, cause this fucking shit, nigga ass dope motherfucker. This bitch worthless like a pussy nigga, show motherfucker. Oh! That's so roasted! Shut up, Michelle. Why don't you go jump in a hole full of crap? Your mom is so fat. You idiot. Okay. I wonder what this is. Ooh. Oh, yeah, let's send that. Let's send that. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh my God, she's gonna guess that. Don't want to do this, you son of a bitch. One more time I do this and she tore off will fucking rape me. Nigga, get your own. The fuck, dude, you supposed to... You so fucking nigga dick, I got a pussy. Start like a motherfucker. It took me 2 fucking days to get this shit over with. And so, yeah. Stop it! Watch this. Since I'm recording all the way on my screen, I better blur some motherfucking niggas up my asshole. That was so fucking up. Okay, so since I just have this done, first thing I'm gonna do is suck my ass. Not for kids if you're gonna try and watch this shit. This pussy worthless. Ignore my motherfucking dick. Oh. You all, you niggas. Suck my dick, you ass motherfucking niggas. Cocky niggas. Get your fucking get class, niggas. Fuck off, you pussy. And nigga don't care. Fuck you, and fuck you. And so this shit is worthless. See, here's my channel. Try and subscribe it. Jonathan Bailey. Okay, so here's my phone. Not my phone, what the fuck? Speed shit. God damn, that boy good. That's so motherfucker in the damn birthday. It just fucking nigga don't care. I could do this shit all day. Yeah, hello. Shut the fuck up. Alright guys, let's just play some of this shit. I don't know what it's fucking called. I'll look what it says. It's called Suck Dick 3D. What the fuck is that? Yeah, you're so black, be the cover for my Oreo cookies. If you want to find what that is, then it's called Alyssa Craig, Devil Fights Jesus. So let's do this fucking shit. Whatever. No. Warning. What the fuck is that doing there? Warning. Did you suck dick? Because if you did, hell no, yes I did. better. Yeah, I don't care. I'm a fuck nigga. I'm a whole motherfucker. I'm a second nugget stick on my lip fuck my shit. In the same me. What the fuck, man? I'm gonna run this shit. What you gonna do? I'm gonna run this shit red light. I don't care. Okay. Oh, it's my medicine. Who cares? Don't even worry about that. I'm gonna re-record my rap song tomorrow. If you heard on my, check out my 3 other videos. My first video is information about me being a YouTuber. Next one is watch. Next one is just search up DS Play Co-op 1 player, not for kids. Search up that, and then you'll basically find that. And you'll see 2 screens that are copied, and that's what you should watch. Where should I go to? Dick Fur? Yeah, I should go there. Fuck yeah, man, let's go to Dick Fur. Smoking that gas, go over the zone, shit on the powder. Yeah, I'm on the drugs, I can't even barely see, nigga. That's what the fuck you on my ass, nigga. Got him bitches on my asshole. Yeah, I'm on drugs. Not really. Got him on drugs, I ain't good. You can see me driving like a whore. I'm a whore, you're a dick. Ain't fuck niggas. I'm a whore, yeah, I'm a whore. I'm a whore who drives in the wrong way. You guys are fucking vagina holes. Yeah. Fuck, I'm not a goddamn pussy, yes you say. I could turn my blinker on and fucking have sex. No nigga, I'm a good person. I'm not like Santa Claus. I'ma go down your fucking chimney and get on fire. My dick is so hard, it makes the bitches in the fucking car know. Yeah, I'm a nigga's own my pussy ass nigga. Little man like a pussy. Hell no. You two guys. Oh, what the fuck? I only got a couple more minutes, so guys, I'm just about to end this video. But first, let me have some fun. You want some chocolate? You want some? Yeah! Oh my god! That boy roasted! Yeah! Alright, thank you for watching. If you like this video, smash the like button or subscribe. If you liked it, then subscribe, like, or leave a comment below. If you didn't like it, just leave a comment below and I'll be fine. So, thank you for watching. Watch it next time. I'll see you guys in the morning. Just kidding. See you guys about tomorrow and I'll see you at 6. So, bye. See you later. Have fun. Bye.